Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're both here with Look Fantastic.
I actually didn't want it. I didn't want the box, but they don't let you cancel as early as you'd want to.
It's an orangey color.
I'm gonna have to open this like a weird. I don't see how to open it this time. So I'm opening it upside down.
So it looks like that. It's got this in the bottom of the box. Refresh your weekly shop.
And here's the thing.
What's that in the bottom of the box? Does yours have those in the bottom
It's
too?
sticking to me. You said on the bottom?
In the bottom of this box, the brown box.
No.
No? Like, did we get the same box?
That's so weird. I know. I don't get. I
Okay.
don't get sometimes different things.
So of course
that
the
looks
little
the same.
booklet looks like that.
This says confidence is the ultimate shield. So looks like that on the inside. If you
with
would see
the
it.
box. Just trying to flip through some of the pages. That's what the back looks like.
And we've got the Elle magazine, the Modern Love Issues. Sisterhood Now. I try to read these. Sometimes I read a couple, but otherwise I don't. But that's what the little magazine looks like. It's so tiny.
I know, once you take that out, the box is rather light. That's what it looks like with that out. I'm like, I grab the first thing first. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out is Skin Chemist London Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads. Hopefully I said that all correctly. I might not have.
I'm so disappointed in all the tan stuff because I'm just like, I don't really use it. But this is Mind Tan Invisible Color Everyday Glow. And so, I don't know, probably giveaway. I just put some other tan stuff in a giveaway just because I like it, but I'm not going to use
And
it.
then Mellow Lip Pencil Crayon.
Yay, lip pencil.
And Aria? Is I say it?
Aria?
Aria. So the front looks like that.
I was like,
I think I'm holding it correctly. I might not be. I don't know.
I think you should show the color. I mean, is it really matching? I wonder the color that's on the box. So
Oh,
I thought, why not see if you can see that? I don't know, but yeah, it's like a pink. Pinky. I love lip liners. I feel like I go through them so quickly because the one thing I do wear is lipstick a lot. So
I don't know how to pronounce
keeping
this.
that.
Polar Eclat Boreal Northern Light Smoothing Cream with Siberian Olive.
Is that for hair again? I'm so tired
I
of
was
hair
thinking it was like a
products.
lotion. Is it for hair?
I'm trying to find one I like.
It says vitamin C.
Hopefully it's not.
Quality of the skin. So
Oh, good. Hopefully it's not hair. Cause I was
oh,
like, no.
so it's I guess maybe a moisture or I don't know.
This is Avant's hyaluronic, gosh, retinol, what does that say? So many words together. 8-hour
Augmenting, yeah.
retexturizing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum. So that's cool. I like serums.
And I think this is the last product.
Yeah.
Wella Professionals Invigo or Nutra Enrich with Goji Berry Deep Nourishing Mask. So is that just 6 items, right? Did I count right?
I think so. I was trying to
We're
see
not
if that
missing
one's,
any,
I was
right?
trying to see if that one's for the hair. It must be because look, it's got like a hair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which I'm using only hair, like, what do you call it? Color care hair stuff. So like my stuff is trying to keep it as red so I can't use anything else unless it's like just a leave-in conditioner or something, I feel like. But that was it for this video. And if it was fast enough for you, as always, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers or less. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.